So today, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys my bubblegum slime. It's scratchy, but it don't poke. It's really scratchy. It's fun to play with. Yeah, but that's how I do mine. I don't know how other people do theirs. But my friend, she a girl, then she had, cause I didn't really know how to play with slime while it was sticky. So she had showed me how to play with some slime. And I learned. Yeah, I did. Made this out of, so my friend had gave me some glue. It was pink. I don't know why. It was pink glue. Laundry detergent. Yeah, laundry detergent. I dropped solution, baking soda. No, not baking. I dropped solution. And that's it. That's what I used to make my slime. I don't know about y'all. Bye, y'all.